Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we're going through Gyeon's brand new glass cleaner. This is Gyeon Q2M Glass Plus, and we're going to show you how to use it and why it's become a very popular glass cleaner across the UK. Now, Gyeon Glass Plus is a brand spanking new product from the Gyeon range. It's very similar to use as the old Gyeon Glass, but what it is going to do is it's going to give you an added layer of protection that Gyeon Glass didn't. Now this product, as I said, is super easy to use. You're spraying it onto the glass panel, wiping it in and then buffing it off. It's going to give you an honest 1 month protection. We're going to head in the back now and show you exactly how to use it. Okay, so with all glass cleaners, including Glass Plus by Gyeon, we like to use 2 towels. So first of all, we have a diamond stitch glass towel for cleaning, and then we have the Gyeon Bald Wipe for removing as well. This is going to remove the residue really easy, nice and straightforward, nice and simple. So first of all, you're going to grab your Gyeon Glass Plus, and you're going to put 2 sprays directly onto the glass cleaning towel. After that, we like to do 2 spritzes onto the actual glass itself. And basically you're going to remove this in sections. So you're going to work from top to bottom of the windscreen, left and right, until it becomes hazy throughout, okay? So once it becomes slightly hazy, that means the product is drying. We're then going to switch over to our Gyeon Bald Wipe. We're going to buff in a circular motion to remove the product from the windscreen, okay? Keep flipping the microfiber to a fresh side, just to remove all of the residue from the glass. You'll instantly feel a load of slickness with this product. As I said, it's adding a layer of protection straight on there. Nice and simple to use and straightforward, easy application and protection. And that's it, that's how simple it is to use Gyeon Glass Plus. Gyeon Glass Plus is available in 1 litres and 500ml bottles online and in the store at justcarcare.co.uk. If you have any questions about the product or any other products that we sell online, get in touch, we'll be happy to help, and we'll see you on the next video.